Recipe comparison is an important tool in WinMix. Let's run WinMix for a demonstration. You can compare recipes and create a report based on it, which can be exported in a convenient format for you or printed. To compare recipes, open the database. From the list of recipes, select from 2 recipes to compare. Press Ctrl and, holding down the left mouse button, select the recipes you want to compare. Or press Ctrl-Shift and, holding down the keys, click on the first and last recipes, which will select them in the list, as well as all other recipes that will be between these 2. To select all recipes in the list, press Ctrl+A. Let's select 2 recipes. Now in the Open tab, click on Tools. In the list, click on Export Recipe Comparison. In the Export Recipe Comparison window, you can configure the report. In the General section, there are the following parameters. Language, set the report language. Recalculate nutrients, determines whether to recalculate nutrients in the report. Recalculate prices with current recipe price lists, determines whether to recalculate prices in the report. The recipe section has the following parameters. Number, determines whether to show the recipe number in the report. Type, to show the type. Client, determines whether to show which client the recipe is assigned to. Standard, to show standard. Price, to show price. Descriptor, to show descriptor. Article, to show article. Notes, to show the notes for recipe. The raw materials section has the next parameters. Section, determines whether to show the raw materials section. Header, to show header. Empty, to show empty raw materials. Article, to show the raw material article. Mill, to show the raw material article from the selected mill. Indicative price list, determines whether to use and display in the report the cost of raw materials from the selected price list. The nutrients section has the following parameters. Section, to show the nutrients section in the report. Header, to show the nutrients header. Empty, to show empty nutrients. Nutrient group, determines whether to apply a nutrient group to the report. You have 2 options to continue. Click the preview button or OK. By clicking the preview button, you will see a preview of your report. In this window, you can print the report or save it in the format you need. To save, click Save As, and to print, print. By clicking the OK, will open the Report Save window where you can choose the format you need. In this video you got acquainted with the recipe comparison tool.